Have you ever left a salon feeling uneasy? It might have been due to messy tools or an uncomfortable environment. Waxing should be a calming experience, free from worries. As a waxing enthusiast, I'm here to help you find a salon that prioritizes hygiene for your comfort and peace of mind. Understanding the significance of salon hygiene is essential. Unsanitary practices can lead to infections, allergic reactions, or those irritating ingrown hairs. Shockingly, nearly 30% of clients who wax encounter infections. This alarming fact highlights the urgent need for cleanliness in salons. How can you identify a hygienic waxing salon? To start, look for a clean, organized workspace. This reflects the esthetician's commitment to both hygiene and your well-being. Moreover, prioritize salons that use disposable tools and single-use products. These items should be employed for each client to prevent cross-contamination. Don't hesitate to ask about their sanitization processes and how they ensure instruments are cleaned properly. Hand hygiene is also key. Observe if the esthetician washes their hands before and after every appointment. This seemingly minor gesture can significantly impact your safety. Let's discuss the different waxing methods and tools. Various wax types require specific hygiene standards. For example, soft wax follows particular sanitary procedures. Make sure that tweezers and spatulas are thoroughly sanitized between uses. A fresh spatula should be used for every new dip into the wax. Worried about linens? Clean, disposable applicators are essential to prevent bacteria spread and maintain a safe environment. Now, let me share tips for selecting a hygienic salon. First, don't hesitate to ask about their hygiene practices before booking. This shows your dedication to safety and awareness. Examine the salon's reputation. Choose one that boasts a strong hygiene record and positive client reviews. Finally, pay attention to the salon's atmosphere. Are tools neatly arranged? Is the workspace tidy? Noticing these details will aid your decision-making process. In conclusion, recognizing the importance of hygiene in waxing salons is vital. Look for cleanliness, disposable tools, and effective sanitization methods. Remember to ask questions, read reviews, and evaluate the environment before your visit. Take charge of your waxing experience and prioritize your health. Explore your options and make informed choices. For more tips and insights, like, subscribe, and share this video. A smooth and confident experience awaits you.